Microsoft linked more than 30 rotating web domains to MacSync Stealer. They confirmed active data exfiltration from infected Macs. MacSync fetched payloads via recurring/curl/paths and uploaded chunked archives using HTTP PUT. It collected macOS keychain items, SSH keys, browser credentials, AWS, and Kubernetes configs. Those secrets let attackers pivot into cloud and corporate systems. ReliaQuest found a Clop-linked JSP web shell in PTC Windchill that decrypts keystore credentials and maps vault data. WatchTowr and VulnCheck reported active scanning of MLflow's model registry SSRF CVE 2026-64849 and FUXA's path traversal CVE 2026-25895. Varonis disclosed CoSnitch for Copilot Personal, and Microsoft patched it on August 18, 2026. These issues bypass normal boundaries. MacSync harvests local secrets and cloud configs to escalate access. The Windchill web shell uses application APIs to decrypt keystore credentials and map vault data, and it can load Java bytecode in memory. MLflow SSRF is being abused to reach cloud metadata endpoints and extract credentials. A single app compromise can therefore cascade into enterprise-wide access. At risk, macOS users and fleet managers who allow paste-and-run terminal workflows. Engineering firms using PTC Windchill or FlexPLM. Teams running public MLflow registries and webhooks. Operators of public FUXA HMI panels. Owners of public Salesforce and ServiceNow portals. Developers who install Ruby gems or NPM packages. Typo squats were published. Editor's assessment. Severity is high for several confirmed items. Microsoft confirmed MacSync exfiltration. ReliaQuest describes the Windchill web shell as a feature-rich implant that decrypts keystore credentials and maps vaults. WatchTowr reported MLflow SSRF being abused to reach cloud metadata. These are confirmed data theft pathways. Key dates. City Forum scraping traced to March 2025. RST Cloud published MacSync clues in May 2026. Anthropic and EPFL released the Mind Virus preprint on August 10, 2026. MLflow's CVE 2026-64849 was assigned on August 17, and scanning began within hours. Microsoft shipped CoSnitch fixes on August 18, 2026. Patch status varies. Microsoft patched Copilot Personal for CoSnitch on August 18, 2026. MLflow's CVE 2026-64849 was assigned on August 17, and vendors published fixes. Prioritize exposed registries. Windchill's CVE 2026-12569 is reported with a CVSS score of 9.3. Follow PTC advisories. Microsoft published MacSync detection guidance, but did not disclose a single static API key. Exploit activity. Microsoft confirmed MacSync exfiltration. WatchTowr observed scanning and abuse of MLflow CVE 2026-64849 within hours of assignment. VulnCheck observed broad scanning for FUXA's CVE 2026-25895. Varonis reported no evidence of CoSnitch in the wild prior to the patch. Mind Virus research shows lab capability, but no confirmed wild propagation. A common theme: abuse of trusted services and app trust boundaries. Twinloot uses SharePoint dead drops, and teams turn relays so C2 blends into legitimate traffic. The Windchill web shell embeds application APIs and keystore access to steal data without extra tools. Stubmaker typo squats used installer hooks to fetch a Rust loader and a Go-based stealer targeting Chromium browsers and crypto wallets. City Forum demonstrates long-running scraping of Salesforce and ServiceNow guest surfaces. Immediate actions. 1. Find and isolate exposed MLflow registries, Windchill servers, FUXA panels, and public Experience Cloud or ServiceNow portals, and apply vendor fixes. 2. On macOS, enable terminal paste protection and AppleScript scanning. Hunt for tmp/osaloging.zip/tmp/sync staging folders and HTTP put uploads with chunk parameters. 3. Review MLflow webhooks and audit logs for calls to cloud metadata endpoints, and rotate credentials if there is evidence of exposure. 4. Audit Microsoft Graph and Teams permissions, and monitor for frequent graph polling and WebRTC turn traffic. 5. Scan package feeds for typo squats and remove suspicious Ruby gems or NPM packages. Takeaway: attackers are weaponizing app trust boundaries. Prioritize exposed MLflow and Windchill systems. Harden macOS paste and run workflows and minimize guest profile access. Patch now and validate fixes with detection hunts. All sources and links are in the description. Read vendor and researcher posts for IOCs and detection queries. Links include the 9 articles cited in the description.